Hi everyone, so a quick update on the MO5 extension. I managed to get the serial communication working using an Max 232 or, well, similar chip, and another serial to USB adapter. So somehow my FTDI friend didn't work correctly, but well, not for that at least. Or maybe the wiring was wrong, I don't know. And I finally managed to run the CC90 program to transfer stuff from the PC to a diskette. So I got the floppy formatted with the QDD DOS for MO5 and CC90 for the serial communications. So if I just put the floppy in there and I power it on, it does make some noise, and you can see MO5 QDD disk basic 1.0. So it just adds some comments to the basic, like dir, and there's not much on the disk, but yeah, that's about it. So thanks to people on the Roderick Studio Discord, namely Full Duplex, who helped me through it, and yeah, it's working. Bye.